I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making Goo Goo clusters. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Are you familiar with Goo Goo clusters? I was not until a recent trip to Tractor Supply Company. I was standing in the checkout line and I saw something called Goo Goo clusters on the shelf next to me. Well, with a name like that. Turns out it was a candy bar made with chocolate, marshmallow, caramel, and peanuts. Of course, I had to buy one, for research purposes, you understand. It was so tasty that I thought it deserved its own episode of RMC. So here we are. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Goo Goo clusters, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. Okay, let's make this happen. For the caramel filling, you'll need 15 Kraft caramels, 58 grams of butter, and 200 grams of sweetened condensed milk. For the Goo Goo clusters, you'll also need 160 grams of chocolate chips or melting wafers, 21 grams of marshmallow cream, and 73 grams of peanuts. You'll also need something in which to melt your chocolate, a spoon or spatula, a piping bag or plastic bag with the corner cut off, a heating pad, and a cutting board lined with silpat, parchment, or waxed paper. Okay, let's make some candy. In a small pan over medium heat, add 200 grams of sweetened condensed milk and 1/4 cup of butter. Stir until the butter has melted. Then add 15 Kraft caramels and turn the heat to medium-low. Stir this continuously so the caramels don't burn. When the caramels are fully melted, pour the mixture into some jars and set them aside to cool. Take some of the caramel filling, mold it into a 2-inch disc, and place it on the silpat. Wetting your hands will help keep the caramel from sticking. Melt the chocolate and spoon a little onto the caramel discs. This is going to be the bottom of your cluster. Don't worry about making these into perfect circles. If we wanted that, we'd have used a mold. These are clusters, and they're supposed to be free-form. Put your bowl of chocolate onto the heating pad to keep it nice and melty. Spray the inside of a piping bag with cooking spray and add the marshmallow cream to the bag using a spoon dipped in hot water. When the chocolate is set, flip the candies over. This was the point where I remembered my past experience with soft caramel and silpat. They really like each other. So much so that I had to use a bench scraper to separate them. From now on, I'm going to try to remember to use parchment for this. Pipe some of the marshmallow cream onto the caramel. Smooth it with the back of a wet spoon. Add a layer of peanuts. Spoon some chocolate over the cluster, making sure you get complete coverage. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. Seriously, what's not to like here? Creamy and crunchy, sweet and salty. You really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. Are you familiar? I was standing in the checkout line.